Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to group elements for your designs and projects in Canva. So let's get right into it. Alright, head over to canva.com and make sure that you're logged in with your user account, and you can do this very easily as a complete beginner without any graphic designing or editing skills whatsoever. So as you can see, I've been working on a thumbnail template like that here guys, and you can apply the following trick to any design and to any elements here inside the Canva library. All you will need to do guys is left click on the first element you would like to group. So let me go for example with that text box here. After that, hold left shift on your keyboard and select the next object or element with your left mouse, just like that. You can add more of these elements and objects to your selection with the left mouse and while holding left shift on your keyboard. And let me add also this text box here. So now, as you can see, I've selected 4 of these objects or elements. To group them, simply click on group here at the top above that selection box to group them. And as you can see, now if I click off and click again on this selection here, all 4 elements can be edited, customized, or removed because they have been grouped by me previously. So that's basically it guys. To ungroup your elements, simply select your selection or your group and click on ungroup here. And as you can see now, these elements are separated again. And that's how it works guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.